This video will show you how to install the MPS car seat from Special Tomato using the latch strap. Begin by locating the latch symbol within your vehicle. Take the latch strap and attach it into the vehicle. Repeat on the other side. Make sure that the strap is secure on both sides. Then reposition the MPS car seat within the vehicle seat. Tighten down on the strap. You can also kneel into the car seat to help get the car in the most secure position. You'll also need to attach the top tether strap. If you do have a headrest within your vehicle seat, make sure to thread the strap underneath the headrest. Locate the tether anchor within your vehicle, and you're going to click the top tether strap into that anchor. Make sure it is secure, and then tighten down completely on the top tether strap.